Your English, your pronunciation is good.
Thank you.
Very good. So, what is the reason for learning English? Is it for hello, hello, hello? My name's Jazz. I'm from England. What's your name and where are you calling from?
My name is English. I am from India.
Okay, your name is English.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And where in India are you calling from?
My state name is Odisha.
Orissa. Okay, okay, very good.
You know?
Yes, I know. Yes, I actually live in Punjab at the
Oh,
moment.
you are from. You also India.
Yes, yes, yes. So I am from an
Nice.
Indian background. Yes. Yeah, very good. So English. What would you like to learn today, or would you like to just have a conversation, or is there something in particular you want to practice?
No, no, only conversation.
Okay, only conversation. Okay, so English. So you're in Orissa, and they speak Orissa there, don't they? Orissa, yeah, very good. And Hindi as well. You know Hindi.
Yes, I know him.
Okay, very good, very good. So how long have you been learning? Sorry.
Mother tongue.
Yes, I understand. I understand. So English. How long have you been learning English to talk?
Oh, in Cambly, this month is my last month.
Okay, okay. So how long? How long have you been learning? Have you been learning for 1 year or a few
Maybe
months?
5 or 6 months.
5 or 6 months. Very good. Your English, your pronunciation is good.
Thank you.
Very good. So, what is the reason for learning English? Is it for work, your job, or school?
Yeah, absolutely. It's for work, but I love languages, so
Me
I want.
too.
And you know, my name is English, but I don't know English, so everyone teach me. So I learn.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So you're doing it for your. So you're trying to improve your language, for your English for work, for your job.
Yes, yes.
Yes. And what job do you do?
I did not decide yet. I once I complete learning this, then I decide.
Okay, very good. Okay, okay. So what have you done today so far? What did you do this morning?
This morning, I only think how can I talk with you?
Okay, but this is good practice because I'm asking you what you did this morning because then you'll practice your
Yes.
past tense grammar.
Actually, no one is here to talk with me and correct my mistakes. So I only talk with me and I correct my mistakes.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I'm asking you a question in English. What did you do this morning? What did you do?
Uh, Today I don't do anything. I just
I didn't do
actually,
anything. I didn't do anything.
oh, I didn't do anything.
Do you know why?
I
Do you know why? I don't do any. We don't say I don't do anything. I didn't do anything. Do you know why? The reason?
no.
Because we are talking about past. Not now, not future, but past. So that's why I wanted
Oh,
to practice this with you.
thank, thank you.
Yes, what did you do this morning? And your answer is
Uh, I teach part-time tuition and
yeah,
I did and I help to my mother her work.
with her work. I helped my
Yeah.
mother with her work.
Yes. Actually, when I talk with me, then I correct my all mistakes. But you know, when I
Yes,
talk with you
yes,
other,
yes, I
it's not.
understand. Yeah, because but when we understand the reason why, then we understand more.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah. So would
You
you
are
like to ask me? Would you like to ask me what I did this morning?
Yes.
Ask
Tell
me.
me.
Ask me.
What did you do in morning?
What did you do this morning?
Oh, this morning.
What did you do this morning?
What did you do this morning?
Yes, you can say, what did you, what did you do this morning? So this morning, I had breakfast, I drank my coffee, then I cleaned, I did the use the charu, pocha. I did the cleaning in my house. I cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the bathroom. I also did some laundry this morning and then got ready for my English class. And then before my English class, I had lunch because that's in the past also. Not
Yes.
I was having lunch. I had lunch. I had my lunch and I just finished a cup of chai.
Oh, you
Yes.
like chai?
Yes, I love chai. Yes, so that was my
You
morning.
you are from Punjab, so you know Punjabi language.
Yes.
It's so nice
You
language.
like Punjabi? Yes, I like Punjabi also.
I like it. I do like.
Yeah, do you like the Punjabi songs?
Yes, I like Punjabi songs, Punjabi foods, and Punjabi, salwar suit,
Yes.
Punjabi
Yes.
culture.
Yeah, they're very pretty. Very
Yes.
good. Very good.
So,
So,
Hindi.
pardon?
You must know Hindi.
Yes, I do. I do.
You know fluently Hindi or
Yeah, I
just
know fluently, yes. I know fluently, yes. But my Hindi isn't as good as my Punjabi, but I understand no problem. I understand no problem, and I can speak in Hindi.
oh.
Yes. So
I saw your profile. I saw your profile. You are learning Chinese.
yes, I'm learning
So
Chinese as
why
a hobby.
why are you learning Chinese?
Yes, I'm learning Chinese because during lockdown, I had so much spare time because I couldn't go to the office, and me and my husband, we were stuck in one place. So, as you know, it was very difficult time for so many people. So I had lots of spare time, and so I started learning just as a hobby.
Oh, Chinese are so hard.
It's very hard,
You
very difficult.
understand letters, Chinese letters?
Yes, I understand the simple letters. Um, just simple conversation. Hello, how are you? What is your
I know.
name? My name is.
I know Chinese some
Okay.
little bit.
So how do you know?
I YouTube.
You very good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. So I enjoy learning Chinese. It's nice hobby. I only do a little bit every day, just maybe a few lessons every day, but it's good. It's good.
Yes, yes. Yeah, Chinese are so hard. When I talk in mouth, I
Yes. No, 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 no. We don't say that. We don't say. You mean to pronounce the words?
yes, yes, pronounce the word.
Yes. Yeah. It's very hard to pronounce the words and the
When
sounds is very
when
difficult.
I when I listen ni hao, then I can understand ni.
Yes, yes. And I guess same for those people, if they were to hear Orissa or Punjabi or Hindi, they'll be like, huh, what is that?
Yes,
It would be same for them. So, but it's good to learn languages, English. And so, why I wanted you to practice what you did in the morning, because you learn the past tense. I did. You said I helped my mother. So helped. I did. I ate my breakfast. I drank my chai. So all these are past.
yes.
Yeah.
My tense are not good. I know because no
Yeah.
one is here to talk with me and correct my
Yes.
sentence.
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying this is very important, not only speaking, but practicing those different things. Like we don't say, I am going to stay in the room. We don't say that in English. You just say, I'm going to stay in my room today because I am not well or I'm feeling sick. Yeah, we don't say I'm going to the school. No, you say, I'm going to school today.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this is a very common mistake. Yes. So carry on talking. What else do you like to do English in your spare time?
I like to do. Now I am learning Chinese, so I spend my time there,
Very
and
good.
now I am learning sewing. So
Sewing.
yes,
Sewing,
sewing.
very good.
This
Nice. It's been so cold here in Punjab, and so I have a salwar suit made, but the tailor, she made it. It's too tight. So after this lesson, I need to go to her, and she needs to adjust my kameez because the arms are too tight. Here is tight. So yeah.
yes. Have you ever come India?
Pardon?
Have you ever come to India?
I'm living in India now.
Now you yeah.
Yes, I'm in Punjab. So a few months of the year we go to England to stay with our family, and then a few months of the year we are in Punjab.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. So yeah. Yeah, it's
I
been
I
very
I,
cold.
I never talk with Indian people in India.
Okay.
So it's
Yes.
good.
Yeah. So me and my husband, we are born in England. Yeah, and our education is there, but we like Punjab. So yeah, we come for a few months and then go
Uh,
back.
One food is Punjab chapati.
Yes. Roti.
It,
I like roti. Yeah.
oh,
Chapati roti.
it's so thick.
Oh, like chole bhudure. Chole bhudure.
Yes, I know. Chapati is so thick than roti.
No. So chapati and roti is the same. Yeah.
Oh,
Chapati and roti is the same. So roti is the Indian word. Chapati is what like my English friends in England would say. Oh, Jazz, can you please make chapati for us? So yeah. And I say, oh, we say roti. But even in India, they use both words, chapati, roti. It's the same thing, I think.
yeah.
But then you have
You
shole bhature, you have puris, you have kulche, amitsa kulche, which are really good.
you, you like roti or rice?
I like roti. My husband likes chawal.
Oh,
But today I'm making chawal and aloo matar sabji.
aloo,
Yes, yes.
aloo is the main food in India.
Yes, and aloo is so versatile. It's a good potato is a very healthy vegetable, and you can do so many things with it. It's good. So, English, what I'd like you to do is keep practicing your English. I'm going to write in the chat a book that I can recommend for you, a novel. So maybe you can look online how you can get a PDF of it and listen to English, listen to audiobooks on YouTube, listen how English people talk. And if you read, then that will be also good. So I
Thank-
will, yeah. So I will recommend you a book now in the chat. So hopefully you'll see. So it's called Fantastic Fantastic Mr. Fox, and the author is Roald Dahl. Okay, so have a look at this book. I put it in the chat, and
yeah.
keep practicing English. And it was nice to talk to you. I hope to see you on another lesson another time. Keep practicing every
Oh,
day. Every day, less Chinese, more English, if you can.
thanks.
Yeah, very good. It was nice to talk to you. And
Oh, in Chinese, thank you. CSA?
Is sheshe.
Oh, yes.
Sheshe.
Actually,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you, English. See you again. Book a lesson with me next time.
Yes,
Bye.
bye.